Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for subscribing. And today I'll be giving my first impression and hands-on on the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the upcoming days, I'll be releasing the hands-on and first impression on the S25 also, because if I add together could be too long, so I might add it into like separate videos. I'll be going to this Samsung authorized retail store at the Curve shopping mall, because as a small YouTube channel, I don't have the resources to get the phone by myself or get invited by Samsung or other brands to go to their events, because we are currently too small. So with a limited resources, you have to come out with a more creative way to do it. So this is not a sponsored video. They didn't contact me to do this, all right? So I do it for you guys, for the information and for the content on this channel. Yeah, hopefully you guys will like it. This is the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's spotted with a new design. They rounded the edges and update the camera ring, which is the camera module is way bigger than the last year one. It's 14 grams lighter than the previous S24 Ultra and 0.4 millimeters thinner. So from on paper, it doesn't sound huge, but when you hold it yourself, it definitely feels lighter than the previous one and thinner. So they flattened the side edges and they rounded the corner, which is trying to unify the design language. So right now the S25 Ultra is very similar to the rest of the S25 series family. Yeah, so I think the design is pretty good. It's just that I'm more prefer like the last year design, because it has its unique design. Like the S24 Ultra is different than the rest of the Galaxy S24 or 24 Plus. Okay, so for the colors, you get 7 different color variations to choose. 3 of them are exclusive colors. You can only get the colors from the Samsung website. So these 4 you can get straight away in the store. So which is the titanium black, titanium gray, silver blue, and white silver. And the exclusive color would be the jet black, the jade green, and the pink gold. Yeah. So right now is a pre-order stage. So they are doing promotion. So you can get the 512 GB with 12 GB RAM of storage at the price of 256 GB. That will be 5,999 ringgit instead of 6,599 ringgit. Yeah. So that's the promotion you get if you pre-order stage. Yeah. After that, it will be going back to the normal price. The S Pen, this is something that I want to mention in it. They removed the Bluetooth feature. So basically Samsung just nerfed the S Pen. So right now, you can't even use the S Pen as a camera remote. Like when I press this button, it doesn't take a picture anymore. So you used to able to do that on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now you can't do it. I don't know why Samsung do this. Removing a feature, useful feature. I think most of the people who like to take selfie or Wi-Fi will find that feature gone a bit sad. Yeah, they make the bezel thinner. So right now it's 15% bezel reduction compared to the last year model. So from 6.8 inches now is 6.9 inches, but the size of the phone didn't make it larger because they shrink down the bezel. Display is still the same brightness with 2600 nits of peak brightness, the same resolution QHD plus, and also they're using the Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2, better fracture resistant, about 29% more compared to the last year one. Of course, the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor for Galaxy, so they overclock the processor, and a larger vapor chamber to cool it down. The main feature will be the upgrade on the software. So right now they spotted with the One UI 7 and heavily focusing on the AI feature. So right now you get a Now Brief. where they summarize your daily brief, like the weather, the things that you're gonna do, like the event, to-do list, etc. It's a bit weird. You cannot use like speech command to open up the AI assistant like Hey Google or Bixby, because right now they're combining two into one. So in order to bring that feature up, the AI companion, you just press long press and you can ask straight away. I will put the AI feature Samsung made, like they introduced the feature to show you guys what's the latest AI feature they provide now. Okay, as for the camera, they upgraded the ultra wide camera from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel this year. So I believe the camera will be super. The battery capacity is still the same as 5000 milliamp battery. There's no silicon carbide technology. When you compare to other phone with this size, the similar form factor, the competitor has like way larger battery capacity because of the newer battery technology. Yeah, so I'm curious what's the battery performance with the latest chipset, the efficiency, will it back it up? Like, because the battery capacity is still the same, you know. So Samsung is like playing safe. They didn't want to like increase the battery size, maybe because of that, you know, the Note 7 debacle things. I don't know, man. You know, they try to play safe, and well, it's being broken, why fix it, right? That kind of approach. But they claim the video playback time is 31 hours compared to the 30 hours last year. So it's 1 hour more. Okay, it's me again. If you watch until this point, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. I didn't film the intro and outro at the mall. That's why you see me here. Right now, I'm at my home. So, shooting outro right now. Once again, thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down the comment section below. What do you think about their Samsung latest S25 series? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.